You could adjust all of that with the solid. It's now all solid, and we can do whatever we want. Now here is our solid body. Hey everyone, in this video we have this scanned body, and we're gonna try to do some cleaning on the mesh here and fixing some of these imperfections and this distortions on the surface. So at the beginning we have our tools on the power surfacing area menu here, but first I'm gonna use the edit mesh to clean some of this high frequencies areas here. So I'm gonna start by painting on the face. I'm gonna do this, just trying to paint the specific area that I want to clean it, and I'm gonna right click and press edit. Now you can see here, I'm gonna go to the mask tools with my bench relax tool. I'm gonna moving around, make sure this is like 0.5 or something, and all you need to do is just moving around like that. Okay, so I just found that it did some deformation to the surface. So if you just undo this, you can see that I didn't want to make it like that. I just need to save or keep my this creased area here. So to fix that, I have another solution for this type of areas here. So I'm gonna just select maybe these three surface or something, any surface, and I can expand the selection. So I might delete this, maybe again, and let's delete some of this, and here also, and here also. And then I can get my edges visible, select, and quad fill. I'm going to do the same here, quad fill, and here also. Let's fix this guy here. Need to just remove this and re-quad fill it. Alright, so now I think it's just better than before, and we could use some of the paint relax with a less effectiveness. Okay, some sort of that. Right, now let's apply this. So you can see now it just removed the low frequencies or the high frequencies distortions that was here, and the same thing I can do it here. I could probably select this area and edit, go to paint relax and do some paint relaxing here, and it's all good. Okay, now let's see where else we can find. We can find here also. So I can make it bigger and select this area here, right click, edit, and I might use another solution also. We might be helpful. That if I just selected this area here with this face selection, then go to relax, as you see, but I'm not gonna use 300, maybe less, so you can see it's making smoothness to the whole surface. So maybe just a little bit and apply, then get to your paint relax and fix these small distortions. So that will maintain the shape and make it better when we use the quad wrap. Okay, you can make it 0.4 make it bigger and do some adjustments here. Oops, just remove. I'm gonna try to remove this by expanding it and delete. And delete these also, and quad fill this. Now I'm gonna use my bend relax again, just a little bit, maybe with 0.3. Okay, so I'm gonna apply for now. It's so much better. And let's see what else we can do. So we have here this area, it just looks like it's very damaged. So let's see how we can fix this and find a solution for it. I'm gonna select this area and right click, edit. So now it's just using the board surfacing tools and I can adjust it however I want. Let's try first to use the bench relax and see if it's gonna work without any adjustments. So it's just fixing the hard greasy area here. And for this one, I'm gonna use the multiple selection tool. Let's make a contour around it like that. Okay. Now I'm gonna delete this. Looks very damaged here, so I'm gonna use the bend relax here to fix it. Maybe use it at level 1. Okay, now I'm gonna delete this. We pretty much have a good solution for this. We're gonna try to cut on the metal and mirror the board. So I'm gonna use the object selection, remove the bend selection here, and I'm gonna edit the whole body. Alright, now from here I'm gonna try to make a slice. So let's assume the metal is on here. Okay, now I'm going to delete all of this and work on this half. Okay, let's make sure it's all clean on here because we're gonna mirror. Right, now let's just remove these lines. That's unnecessary. And I'm gonna select here, make sure it's vertical, and I'm gonna mirror that easy. For this part here, I'm just gonna delete around this unwanted faces, and I'm gonna use the quad fill. Now I've got something like that might be not useful while quad wrapping, so we could use the lead to remove this, or we can use the smooth selection to smooth them. So the first solution is just smoothing them out like that, but it's not making that much effect, so I'm gonna remove it like that. Just make a contour around it, delete, and remove this body, then go to this area and quad fill it like this. Okay, now we've also have the circles that not gonna be work with us, so we can use the same operation. I'm just gonna make a contour around it like that. Now delete, and the same from the other side. And I'm gonna select this body and select this main body, reflex or reverse the selection, then delete unnecessary parts. So you can see that it just deleted the other small parts. And now from here I'm gonna use the same feature, quad fill, and from the other side I'm gonna use quad fill. Got these guys here. Let's just remove and re-quad fill this. Alright, now let's give it a little bit of paint relaxing. Now you could see that we just changed a lot of things and cleaned some of them with the mirror views active, to try to shortcut the time and finish quickly. We got this places here, we need to fix them also. So let's get to paint relax. Okay, now once we just get to this level, could use here also to just smoothness around here. And for here I can use unify the mirror. So once I just unify the mirror, I can use the mesh tools again at the bend relax for the center here. Just a little bit, maybe one, and small refinements like that. Okay, now once we just get here, let me just delete this. Now I'm gonna make sure there is no open edges, so isolate the open edges, and it tell me no open edges found. And then now we can go to apply my edit, and that's mesh after we just make some adjustments to it. We've got some small faces here, so I'm gonna select my main body and reverse the selection and then delete. Okay, so now I just deleted all unnecessary parts. Now I have just small edge open it here. I can make a pen selection around it, right click, edit, and go to quad fill. Okay, now after I just do that, finish, and I want to make sure again it's not open it, so I'm going to select the whole body and right click, edit, and isolate open edges. So it's no open edges now, so I can continue, go to bar surfacing. Okay, now I can go to quad wrap. So let's use about maybe 1.7 and 5 size it. Okay, let's try this. Okay, that looks acceptable for me. And now let's use the shrink wrap. Now let's show preview at this level 0. Okay, looks good. We should almost be done now. Everything looks great, so I'm going to try to convert it. Okay, now after converting, and we've got our solid body. Let me go to appearance, make it a plastic material. Any material, rough material. At the end, it's just about the accuracy of the scanner. So the more accurate scanner you have, the more quality you're gonna get with the quad wrapping. So it's pretty much good for this kind of quality that we just fixed its imperfections and small distortion on the surface, and we got this nice clean surface. We can do just the holes that we just deleted. Let me just get the right plan to do it. I think it was this one. And for this one here, let me go to the right plan. I guess it's the right plan, and I'm gonna sketch here, get the circle, and adjust the circle around here. It was just a little bigger like that. All right, I'm gonna delete this constant and move it a little. Go to extrude cut, scroll both, and okay, you could adjust all of that with the solid. It's now all solid, and we can do whatever we want. Now here is our solid body, and everything looks great. I just edited the future, and I just went to make this more thicker, and that's the best part of it, that I can adjust anything. And that's, I think, the concept of the reverse engineering. That was too thin for the cut extrude, and I just went and made it thicker, so that's maybe better than before. And I can also make a small fillet or radius here. Okay, that's great. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. See you next video. Bye.